Alright guys, so in this video we're looking at how you can sell your products using influencers on Instagram, right? So influencers are those persons who are probably coordinating a group of persons. They have large following, right? And you can get influencers that are niche specific or influencers that you have lots of people that are from various niches. Now, this is what I mean. Take for instance, you can see this lady make uh, break or makeup. Okay, now you can see that this person has 354 followers, 54,000 followers. Now she has lots of followers on this group, and if you look into the this is just 4 minutes. If you look into her post, let's try and look for a post that is, this is 2 minutes also. um all right, so this is 8 hours, and you can see the person, they already have 220 something comment, just 8 hours. Okay, now for you to use an influencer, you have to make sure that the person has good following, and make sure that the people who are commenting, they are much, okay, meaning the page is interactive. There are lots of people on the page. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that you look into the person and see what is going on right there. Okay, so you can actually even advertise your products right on break or makeup. Okay, I once advertised on this page, and I've had some few persons advertise on the page, and of course you will receive orders. Okay, you receive orders, not just the truth, because they have diverse persons right here. Okay, so what you want to do is just you can send them a DM or send them a message on WhatsApp, so you can see their WhatsApp number right here, and they will give you their rates. Okay, you can use videos, you can use text, okay, or images, but make sure you should be creative with what you do. Make sure you should be creative with your text. Now it's very good for you to use stories. Like I tell you guys, stories sell. Okay, I've told you guys how to come up with stories, and make sure that your stories are captivating, because of course you see that this platform is a platform that the audiences are people who love stories and all of that. You want to make sure that your content is story based, which leads to your product selling. Okay, so using these platforms will help you to sell more of your products. So you can search for more influencers, like Juro is still there, Juro Lufemi, Olumofin, yeah. So he's still there. You can contact him. I think he has a personal assistant or something. So these are some pages that you can advertise your products on, and you will make lots of sales. Okay, these are pages you can use that you make lots of sales. And I think there are other pages. Okay, so all you basically need to do is do a little bit of research, find out more of these like you have Cracks TV. Cracks TV might be really expensive, though I've not used them. Okay, you can see that they have 1.6 m followers. Okay, and you can see that the interaction on their page is really massive, 47 minutes, and they have 110 comments already. So they might be a little bit more expensive, but you can try them out and use them for your products. All right, so this is how you use influencers to sell your products on Instagram. One thing that you want to make sure that you do is you should build your page. Okay, have good page descriptions. Now I'm talking about you setting up your page for it to be professional, for you to sell what you are doing. This is the reason why I'm telling you guys to have niches. Don't just sell everything. Be niche specific. So if someone lands on your Instagram page, the person immediately knows that these are the kind of things that this person sells. All right. So we'll be having a video that tells you how you should sell properly on Instagram, okay, and how you can craft your profile, okay, that will attract people to buy from you. And you guys should also follow me on Instagram, okay. Use my page, Success Machines, okay. So that's my name on Instagram. Do well to follow me on Instagram. I share lots of business tips, okay. So follow me on Instagram. All right, so that's how you sell using influencers on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.